Court is set to resume tomorrow with McCabe back on the stand for more testimony. Let's bring in our Phil Lipoff and former federal prosecutor Neama Rahmani. Phil, remind us of this most contentious moment. We were watching it yesterday, but there were a lot of highlights from the testimony for sure.
Yeah, Kira, there were highlights. I think the overall takeaway is that the more time Jennifer McCabe is on the stand, and defense says they want her for about an hour and a half to 2 hours tomorrow to finish up, the more time she's on the stand saying, I said what I said when I remembered it. And there was a lot of talk yesterday about, I hit him, the statement she says that Karen Reed made the morning they found John O'Keefe's body. Karen Reed says she said something more like, did I hit him, asking the question as she was in panic that morning. The more time she spends on the stand having a contentious back and forth with the defense, the better the defense feels it is for them, because they're pointing the finger at someone like Jennifer McCabe and the other people who were in that house rather than at Karen Reed.
So, Neama, what do you make of how the defense has cross-examined McCabe so far?
Kira, the defense has done an outstanding job with this case, both during the first trial and as we head to this retrial. Obviously, Jennifer McCabe is the prosecution's key witness, and we have a new prosecutor now, and they're focused on Karen Reed's own words. And like was discussed, I hit him. Well, if she said, did I hit him? Could I have hit him? That's a very different type of admission, and that's been consistent with what Karen Reed has said in interviews outside that courthouse and even during the docuseries that was following her during the first trial. But there's also a couple reasons why McCabe is also important in addition to those admissions. There's that infamous Google search, how long to die in the snow. The prosecution is saying that Reed asked McCabe to make that search or perform that search. And the defense is saying, no, it was McCabe herself who did it. She's the one who's actually implicated in this conspiracy and this cover-up to kill John O'Keefe. And the taillight. McCabe testified that she observed the taillight being broken. The defense is arguing that that taillight was broken after law enforcement impounded the car. So 3 reasons why McCabe is the key witness in the case and why the defense is spending so much time with her.
Gotcha. And Phil, what can we expect when court resumes tomorrow?
Well, McCabe will be back on the stand. The defense will finish up with her, and then more witnesses will be called. I want to just piggyback off of what Neama just said. Another key witness, I think equally as important as Jennifer McCabe, is Trooper Michael Proctor. He was the lead investigator for the state police. All sorts of problems with the way he ran the investigation to the point where he was fired after this is all happening. So he's going to take the stand again at some point soon, we think, as a fired state trooper who led this investigation. And the defense has even said that he planted evidence. So it's going to get continuously heated as these witnesses continue to take the stand in this second trial now.
Phil Lipoff, Neama Rahmani, thank you both.